Hello guys. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can calculate the standard normal distributions probabilities. We are going to use Microsoft Excel, but you may use any statistical program, or if you type a standard normal distribution calculator on Google, you can find many apps or web pages that does the same thing as Microsoft Excel. So I'll assume that you have Excel on your computer, and I'll demonstrate how to calculate probabilities for standard normal distribution. So I have three examples, quite simple examples. It's pretty simple. We are going to calculate three probabilities. The first one is probability that standard normal distribution is smaller than -2 and smaller than -1, smaller than 0. What you need to know here is we are going to use a formula, so you may click Formula tab and click this, and then you may choose the category, and you may just click all and search here normal distribution. If you type normal, then you can find a function that returns, so norm.s.dist returns the standard normal distribution, has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. So exactly this is what we want. So norm stands for normal distribution, S means standard, dist means distribution. And this function, this formula, has two arguments, z and cumulative. I'll show you how to use that. So choose this, okay? Then you have to enter two entries. Z is the number you are interested in. So we are interested in the probability smaller than -2. So the -2 is the value you are interested in. Put that value. Z is the value for which you want the distribution, right? So depending on which value you are interested in, put that. And cumulative, you have to choose either true or false here. If you put true, then it will calculate the cumulative distribution. But if you put false here, then it will calculate the probability density. So in this case, we are interested in cumulative distribution because we are looking for probability smaller than or equal to -2, which is a cumulative probability. So I'm going to type true, right? Then click enter. You get this number. You may change it as you want. So the probability smaller than -2 is 2.2750%, right? And you may do the same thing for -1. Like you can go here and find the same function, but a simpler way is type the function norm.s.dist. This is the same function we used, and parentheses, you have to put two arguments. -1, which is the value you are interested in, and where the cumulative probability is evaluated. And true means you are looking for the cumulative probability. And it is this number. I will change the format. So the answer is smaller than -1, there is 15.8655%. Right? You can make it more accurate if you want. Just as an experiment, let's see what happens if you use false instead of true. So we used true for the second argument and to obtain this probability, but when you put false, the answer is different. This is not a probability. It's probability density. It's different from cumulative probability. So you have to be more careful. And just you may do the same thing. True. So this is what you enter and press the enter. Then it is 50%, which is expected because the normal distribution is always symmetric about the mean. So smaller than 0 is the mean of a standard normal distribution. So smaller than the mean has 50%. And above the mean has another 50%, the other 50%. So it should be 50% as expected. And of course, if you use false here, it will have a different number. This is not a probability. So remember, this is a density which is not a probability at 0, because probability at one point is always 0. So probability at one point does not exist. So in this case, it has to be interpreted as probability density function. Okay, and in the next video, I'm going to demonstrate how to calculate percentiles using Excel. So that's kind of the converse of what we have done here. So we are taking the inverse. So see you in the next video. Thank you.